Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Agix price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Agix chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area, and having fully maximized the target area, there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. We are also seeing a bit of an increase in the volatility as a result of the data that just came out, which is the core CPE data, which came out at around the 0.3%, which is very bullish for the market, and there are high chances that we are going to continue seeing a bit of a volatility to help us fully maximize our target areas in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after peaking in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 2, and having seen the low for this second wave within this blue target area, whatever we expected next was the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, we also expected to see a 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, where you can now see that I have this Elliott wave structure in white, where we have now peaked in the formation of that first wave. We have also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, fully maximizing our white target area in the formation of that wave 2, and I now believe that whatever we are seeing is the start of this wave 3 to the upper side. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is also an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliott wave count within the formation of that wave 3 that is giving me the short-term scenarios here on the Agix chart, where you can see now that we have peaked in the formation of that first wave. We have also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the start of this wave 3 to the upper side, and sketching out a target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.5742 mark, which is just a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. So soon I'm expecting to see a break out of this red target area, continue gearing up, and the first confirmation that we are back in the formation of this wave 3 is a break above the first wave, which I have right here at around the $0.45463 mark. So in case Agix continues to gear up, continue watching the wave 1 high, which is at around the $0.45463 mark, and the moment you manage to break above that, that will be the first confirmation that we are back in the formation of that wave 3, and continue expecting higher prices to fully maximize our target area at around the $0.507 mark. And once we fully maximize our target area, then we can expect a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4 before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And since we have fully maximized our target area in the formation of that wave 2, and we're also seeing a bit of an increase in the volatility as a result of the core CPE data, there are high chances that we are going to see a break above the high for that first wave and also fully maximize our target areas in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. And also taking taking a look at the indicators here on the 1 hour chart, on the RSI we are trading at around the 54 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, you have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.